हेलो वेलकम गाइस इंग्लिश फ्रॉम जीरो टू हीरो में आज हम पढ़ेंगे स्टोरी। देयर वेयर फोर ब्रदर्स who lived in their father in a village. The brothers would quarrel with one another all the time. Their father requested his sons to stop fighting, but they would not listen to him. One day the father called his four sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into two. The bundle had four sticks. Huh, this is so easy, said the elder son. He took the bundle and tried breaking it, but he was surprised that a stick in bundle would not break, so he used more force. He tried again and again until he started the panting for breath. Finally, he gave up. One by all brothers tried to break the bundles, but none of them could break it. Their father smiled and asked the brother two unit of bundle. He asked each brother to pick a stick and try to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in their hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. A single stick is easily broken, but if four sticks come together, it is impossible to break them, said the old man, giving his son meaningful looks. This time the lesson went home. Brothers started working together as team without fighting. They had discovered that unity is strength. The moral unity is strength. इंग्लिश फ्रॉम जीरो टू हीरो। चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करना ना भूलें दोस्तों। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। बाय बाय।